Yes, much to my dismay, I ordered this blanket. It seemed to be marketed as a Pacific Northwest item, and it turns out it's made in India and marketed only by this company in Washington State. As you can see, this is not even a week old, and I've only used it twice, and the dye is all coming out. So the craftsmanship is not very good. And then when I found out it was made in India, then I understood that the dye is leaking or it's coming off. So not happy at all.
This is the Arcturus Woolen Goods wool blanket. I got it on Amazon for about $40. You can see it's really tightly woven. Yeah, it's a good sign that helps retain the heat. In my heat temperature retention test comparing the different wool blankets of the similar price range, this one won by a good deal. One thing I really like about this blanket that brings it over and above is the stitching on the edges. It's really high quality and usually high contrast, which makes the blanket pop and just look that much better. Highly recommend.
Bro, this is like a literal slab of wool. Like literally. And this is like the second one I have to do. How much is this going to shed? I already washed this twice. This is already the second time. I swear, dude. The amount of wool shedding off this thing is as much wool as the actual sheep that you sheared.
So here's the blanket after I washed it. It was still slightly damp coming out of the dryer, so I just propped it up here to air dry the rest of the way. But as you can see, there's no loose material, there's no pilling. It feels super soft. I'm happy with how it came out.